His conduct reprehensible. A judge today publicly rebuked a lawyer for his chronic court absences. As First Coast News has been investigating for weeks, attorney Benjamin Buck has missed multiple scheduled court hearings and has ghosted several clients, including some who have paid him thousands of dollars. Buck finally did appear this morning via Zoom, and On Your Side's Ann Schindler was in the courtroom.
After weeks of unexplained absences and dubious excuses, attorney Ben Buck finally appeared for a scheduled court hearing.
Mr. Buck, are you there?
Judge Roberto Arias was not happy to see him.
Your conduct has tarnished the profession in the eyes not only of your clients, but most importantly, community at large. Needless to say, your actions are inexcusable regardless of what issues you're going through, sir.
As we reported last month, the Florida Bar began investigating Buck following repeated court absences. Buck abruptly filed motions to withdraw from all of his cases, but then failed to show up for the required hearings on those motions. He even defied Judge Arias' direct order to appear 3 times.
You have failed to protect your client's interests, and that is the grievous sin that you have committed in this case.
Judge Arias was initially inclined to give Buck the benefit of the doubt, thinking he must be ill. But after the First Coast News story aired, the judge said he
started receiving emails from all over the state about you.
Buck's clients, including those who've paid him, may be out of luck. He didn't respond to the judge in court and has not responded to repeated requests for comment. But he has asked the Florida Supreme Court to grant him what is essentially a voluntary, temporary disbarment.
You have failed to protect your client's interests, and that alone should suffice for the Florida Supreme Court to make sure that you never are in a position to do so in the state of Florida.
If the Supreme Court grants his petition, it will absolve Buck of 29 pending bar complaints. It would also allow him to apply to regain his law license in 5 years. Ann Schindler.
I don't know what else to say.
First Coast News, On Your Side.
And a short while ago, Ben Buck did send a very brief text message. You can find it with this story on our website.